It's one of the most difficult questions in general mathematics. Yeah, an equilateral triangle of side 20 cm is inscribed in a circle. Calculate the distance of a side of the triangle from the center of the circle. What you do here is you draw a circle, then inscribe an equilateral triangle in the circle, just like this. Correct. Now next is indicate the center of the circle. A side of this is 20 cm, a side of this is 20 cm, this 20 cm also. What you do here is you are asked to calculate the distance of the triangle, a side of the triangle from the center of the circle. That is, if the center here is O, from O to this point, let's call it M. Here is P, and complete this line to make it a diameter, and you call here Q. Now what you do again is you can see that this line has bisected this chord into two equal parts. So if from S to T is 20 cm, it has bisected this line to be 10 cm and 10 cm each. So we can complete this triangle by solving for the third side. That is triangle PMT. So what you do here is to apply Pythagoras. And I say by using Pythagoras, you see that PM is equal to the square root of 20 square minus 10 square. And this will give us 400 minus 100, which will be square root of 300, and the square root of 300 is approximately 17.3. That will be 17.3 cm. Now we have gotten line PQ. So our objective, our aim is to find OM. Now to do this, we can see that let's complete this triangle in another way. This is the radius of this circle, and we can also see that R is equal to R, which is the radius, is equal to O. So that is 299.3. We also use this to multiply by x, and we'll have plus 17.3 x. Using this to multiply by this, we'll have another plus 17.x. Another, we'll use x to multiply by x, then we'll have plus x squared. The whole of this will be equal to the square of 10, which is 100, is equal to 17.3 times 17.3, 299.3 minus 34.6x, then minus x squared. At this point, we can collect like terms. If we collect like terms, this is x squared, it will go with x squared. And this is 299.3. Collecting like terms, it will turn to minus once it crosses this equality sign to the left, and this will be 299.3. We cancel 299.3. So that what is remaining here will be 34.6x. Then if this one crosses equality sign to the right, it will turn to plus 34.6x. Then here on the right hand side, what we have is 4 times 100, which is equal to 400. Yeah, that is what we have. So what is remaining, what we have here will be 34.6x plus 34.6x. Now let's add this. We will see that this plus this will give us 10. This 3 plus 3 will give 96.2x, which is equal to 400. Now to get x, we simply divide both sides by 69.2. Divide this side by 69.2. This will go, and we'll have x is equal to 400 divided by 69.2. Our x is 5.78. So what we do next is we are looking for the distance of a side of the triangle from the center of the circle, that is OM. So our OM, look at our OM. Our OM is this. Look at our OM. Our OM is 17.3 minus x all over 2. So we can now say therefore OM is equal to 17.6. We have 17.3 minus x, where x is 5.78. Then we divide it by 2. This will give us. Alright, so having done this, we have gotten the final answer, which is 5.76 cm. This is the final answer. It's alright, guys. You can feel free to ask any question. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and feel free to drop any question. We'll provide you with the solutions. Thank you and have a nice day.